Building a complete digital lending ecosystem requires more than customer journeys and applications. It requires a strong governance framework that defines how the entire setup is configured, operated, and scaled. Decimal provides this foundation through a globalized governance platform that sits at the core of the lending architecture. This platform acts as a central control plane for financial institutions, bringing organizational structure, users, roles, products, policies, and workflows into a single governed environment. Business teams configure products. Risk teams manage policies. Compliance teams ensure audit readiness. IT teams gain stability and scalability, all from a single governed control plane. Security policies, access controls, alerts, and system notifications are centrally governed, ensuring consistency, traceability, and regulatory alignment. This governance layer becomes the backbone of the entire lending ecosystem, powering customer journeys, loan origination, and operations with control, flexibility, and confidence. At the foundation are pre-configured masters and lists of values, tailored for the KSA personal finance journey. From employment types and income bands to product categories and document types, everything is standardized, configurable, and audit-ready. Banks can easily define their organizational hierarchy and onboard users across credit, legal, operations, underwriting, and compliance teams. Role-based permissions define what each stakeholder can access and perform across the platform, ensuring they see and act only on what is relevant to their responsibility. Each role is configured with action-level controls such as view, modify, approve, generate, etc., providing precise authority at every step. Users are assigned to roles and roles are mapped to permissions, establishing a governed access model with built-in segregation of duties. Once the organization is set up, the governance platform connects to critical data sources required across the lending lifecycle. Pre-configured integrations support SIMAR for credit bureau checks, NAFATH for digital identity verification, MUDAD for HR and salary data, and Apsher government services. Sharia-compliance rules and validations are managed internally within the platform, allowing institutions to configure and enforce their own Sharia governance requirements as part of product and policy setup. Together, these integrations and internal controls ensure accurate data, compliant decisioning, and seamless processing. The governance platform provides a centralized credit policy management layer, an enterprise-grade policy engine with multi-level configuration and rule management. Islamic and conventional personal finance policies can be created, versioned, activated, and managed within this layer. Selecting a policy opens rule groups, indicators, scoring models, pricing, compliance, and overview for end-to-end policy configuration. Banks can use predefined policies or configure new ones using rule groups and indicators such as SIMAR score, active loans, payment history, and GOSI contribution trends, with scoring models fully configurable by risk teams. Product management enables banks to define and manage personal finance products within a governed framework. Both Islamic and conventional products can be configured, including Sharia-compliant structures such as Murabaha and Tawarruk. For each product, key characteristics such as profit rate range, financing limits, tenure, minimum bureau score, fees, and settlement rules are centrally maintained. Products are mapped to relevant credit policies and co-lending arrangements, ensuring consistent underwriting and risk treatment. Channel availability is configurable per product, allowing controlled enablement across branch, digital, DSA, and referral channels. This ensures products are launched with standardized definitions, controlled exposure, and consistent behavior across all touchpoints. Decimal's step library converts documents and data into structured insights using reusable, AI-driven microsteps. Orchestrating it all is the workflow engine, where compliant zero-code workflows adapt dynamically based on risk, policies, and exceptions. The result? A powerful governance platform that empowers business, risk, IT, and operations, while delivering faster launches, stronger governance, and superior customer experiences. Control, without complexity. Powered by Decimal.